Welcome viewers to Softudemy, a software engineering academy. Today I will discuss with you about drive activity dates in Primavera Page 6, how activity driving impact on your resource assignments in Primavera Page 6, and how to set your drive activity dates by default. So what are the basic impact and resource assignment impact on these dates? So here I will open my Primavera P6 and you can see here I have already added my drive activity dates column in the resources, and we are just moving on with our this project single story house project. And in activities I have already added drive activity dates. So how this drive activity dates impact on your project and how this is acting on your project here. So for example, when I add a resource, labor resource, and add here its units like 320 units, so you can see here this project resource acting from 6 November to 20 November. And in the resource assignment, when I see the resource assignment of this block masonry and the labor resource name labor 320 total budgeted units, and it's working from Friday of 4.27 hours and then from Monday 32 hours. So you can see on this one that this is on 6 November and 6 November is Friday, and the month of November you can see here from the resource assignment the month of November. So this is working from Friday, so Friday so on. So what I want to do is this drive dates, this one is driving from 6 to 20. So this one is check mark. Now I will remove this one. So for example, if I just remove this one or if I click this one, what will be different? So for example, I change here the duration of this one activity, or I change the date. For example, I change the date to 23. Can you see I have changed the date from 20 to 23? Here you can see 11 units, and I say that the other duration date is it is starting from 11, that Wednesday. So you can see the date is changing to 26 November, here 26 November. So here I will uncheck mark and you can see it's go again to 20 November. So these dates are not driving now because it's first of all when I check mark this one, the dates you can see in the bar. Can you see the bar changes? When you see it's 26 November when I check mark this one, and when you remove the check mark, then it will remove your resource acting dates from your activity. So you can see in the resource assignment also the activity is starting on Wednesday. This one is 26 November week. Then we will see it's finishing on Thursday. So that calculation of the resources are not wrong. It's okay. So we will see here when we click on drive activity dates, it will impact on your schedule here. It's before 20 November as it is scheduling, but when we click on drive activity dates according to your resources, it will impact here, and that impact will be impacted your schedule. For example, why we apply this type of settings? For example, our one resource is working from 6 November to 20 November, the other resource we needed from 11 November to 26 November. So that's why we can put here, but also we can drive our activity dates according to our resources, available resources. So we can also impact the calendar here also for these activities. So if we remove this one, you can see here it will remove from there. So this is one how drive activity date impact on your resources to generate your new activity dates in Primavera P6. So there you can see here there is an option in assignment defaults. In resources tab of your project level setting, you can see there is a setting drive activity dates by default. So when you click this one, drive activity dates by default, and when this one is check mark, and when you go here in the activities and you add a resource from here like carpenter, when you add a carpenter, you can see there is checkbox when I adding an activity here. So first of all I remove this one, and then when I go here in the project here, project level setting here, and I remove this one drive activity dates by default. So then I go here in the activities and add again that carpenter resource from here. So now this time you can see here the checkbox mark will be removed. So if you want to drive your activity dates by default, and this check marks will be clicked. So if you don't want to assign manually, if you want to assign manually your dates, so you can uncheck this box. And if you want to assign your automatically drive dates according to your resources, so you can check box this one and you can add here resources. So when you add here resources, any resource will have a checkbox here. So this is one how your activities are driving from your resources dates. So this is our today's content to drive activity dates by default, and how drive activities depend on your activities and resources. What is the relationship between drive activity dates with resources and your activities. Also, I have told you about resource assignment, about how resource assignment is managed by driving activity dates. So thanks for watching SoftDemie. We will meet in the next video with a most interesting content. Thanks for watching SoftDemie. Like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon of our channel. Thanks. We will meet in next video.